Hello, Vande Mataram once again, children. So, today in science, in biology part, we are starting with chapter number 9, that is soil. So, we know, children, soil is a natural resource. Okay, it's very important for every living creature. Let's see some of the importance of soil in our life. It provides anchorage to the plants and supply water and nutrients to it. Yes, children, here we can see soil is a dark brown or black colored solid particle. Soil is very much important for other living organisms. Soil is used for growing different types of food varieties, fruits, vegetables, etc. Even it is used for getting wood for the construction purpose, for timber, for fuel and paper. Soil is used to grow cotton, jute. Even we have seen mulberry trees from which we get the silk. Okay. Soil is also used for making these houses. Soil is used to make pots, matkas, pottery work and other crockeries, statues, etc. So let's understand, children, how this soil is formed. The process by which a huge rocks are broken down into small particles by the action of sun's heat, wind, rain and flowing river water is called weathering. Weathering can be physical also or chemical also. The type of soil depends on the type of rock from which it is made. In 5th standard also you have studied about types of rocks, that is either igneous rock, metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks and different types of other rocks. So soil is formed by the process of weathering. Then coming to soil profile. Now what is this soil profile? If you dig a pit on any place, you can see the different colored layers below each other, and that layers differ in the type of soil and color, texture, chemical composition. So a vertical section or cutting through the soil shows the different layers of the soil is called soil profile. So here you can see, children, the different colored layers. Each layer of the soil is called a horizon. The first layer, second layer, third layer, they are also called as horizon. A horizon is dark in color as it contains more amount of humus. Now what is meaning of humus? The rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. जो सड़ी हुई चीजें होती है प्लांट की, एनिमल्स की, that is called humus, and it is very useful in soil because it makes soil fertile. So humus is present in more proportion in top layer, that is also called as topsoil. Second is called B horizon, also called as subsoil. C horizon, that is substratum, and the last, that is bedrock, or it can also be called as parent rock. So children, this about each horizon we are going to see tomorrow in much detail. Today you have to do till here only. So thank you for the day, children.